Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Persaud, and today we are talking about matcha. What is matcha? What does it have to do with your health, and can it help with weight loss? Matcha is a type of green tea. So let's take it back a step and talk about green tea. Green tea has been around for a very long time, ever since the 600s. In the Tang Dynasty, green tea was used as tea bricks to actually trade and use for storage and commerce. Ultimately, over time, it was found that these green tea leaves are actually beneficial for health. They have what's called catechins in them, and these catechins work as natural antioxidants and natural caffeines to help with weight loss. Matcha has recently burst onto the market, and you should know about it. It is a finely ground powder of specially grown and processed green tea leaves. When the green tea is ready for harvest, 20 days prior, they cover the tea leaves, thereby giving them less sunlight. Because there's less sunlight, it changes the pigment of the green tea and makes it more green. This is then harvested into matcha, which is then picked. Those tea leaves are then turned into a type of powder. Because these green tea leaves are greener, they have more catechins in them and a more potent level of antioxidants and natural caffeine, thereby increasing fat burning properties. So matcha is a way to burn fat a little faster and naturally than regular green tea would. Green tea already has been studied over time as having fat burning properties, but now this new form of creating it and increasing the green chlorophyll pigment in the tea thereby makes it a more potent form of green tea, thereby making it useful for weight loss. That is why we should care about it. So matcha versus green tea. The matcha is a bright green powder. When the powder is ingested and infused with water, it has higher levels of antioxidants. Many different substances for weight loss have not been properly studied. However, green tea has been well studied. It's something I personally have researched over a very long period of time, and there are many studies documenting the benefits of green tea with weight loss. I'll cite a few for you now. There was a study done in China, actually specifically for matcha, and what it showed is that by ingesting matcha, people ended up bringing down their sugar levels after eating. So after someone ate, they had some matcha tea, and what was found was postprandial hyperglycemia was lower, meaning that the sugar levels after eating ended up being lower because of the matcha tea. So these tea products helped increase the enzymes in the body to burn sugar a little faster. Also, what's interesting is that they did a study with matcha tea with respect to mood and cognitive performance. This was actually done this year, September 2017. And what they found is that after people consumed matcha products, when compared to placebo meaning there was no matcha, it was just a sugar pill or a regular glass of tea they were drinking. After consuming matcha products, people noted that they had increased performance. They had higher attention spans and better memory performance. This was due to the matcha that they ingested. There's also many different studies just on green tea itself. Again, very well studied, and it shows that the green tea helps to maximize fat burning and helps with weight loss. Now, there's no proper or well-known dosage of green tea that you can take. Some people feel that you should ingest maybe 2 cups of green tea for maximum weight loss benefit. Because green tea is a natural caffeine, This should be done earlier in the day. If you're consuming green tea or matcha later in the day, then you might be up at night and might have insomnia because of that. So you want to consume them earlier in the day. Some studies have shown that there's a correlation between cups of green tea and green tea pills. So green tea also comes in pills. Green tea extract, which is the actual tea leaves, and those are made into pill form. So the green tea extract. 5 cups of green tea usually equals 1 pill of green tea extract. So those are very, very important. Now again, there is a difference between regular green tea and green tea extract and matcha. Matcha is the more potent form of green tea. So if you are going to take the time to drink green tea, consider switching to a matcha instead, because it will help with weight loss. It will also help with cognitive function, improving your memory and improving your attention span, making it a little bit easier to focus. Personally, I consume a lot of green tea. I drink green tea every day. For those of you who drink caffeine, I would highly encourage you to switch to a green tea form. Remember, coffee has coffee beans in them, so your stomach is taking time to digest coffee beans. Whereas the green tea or the matcha, these are finely ground powders and leaves. Those get digested fairly quickly, and your body is not spending a long time digesting that. Instead, it switches over to ketosis and fat burning mode. So that is something to consider. Other commonly asked questions: where can you buy matcha? It is very popular right now. In fact, even if you go to Starbucks, they have a matcha latte, green tea latte. You'll find it in tons of stores. We carry it now in our clinics. We carry little matcha packets. You can open the packet, put it into your water. You can use it hot or cold. Many grocery stores now carry green tea, actual tea bags. They carry matcha powders. You can get it at pharmacies. They carry green tea extracts as well. Be very careful regarding pills. Although the green tea is good, different companies take the green tea extract and put it into pill form. Those pills have various glues in them, coloring in them, and substances in the coating of the pill and the capsule of the pill that might be harmful. So if you are going to consume a green tea extract pill, I would recommend for you to follow up with me regularly, or your primary care doctor regularly, to get your liver enzymes and kidney enzymes, liver tests and kidney tests checked regularly to ensure there's no side effects. I have seen some patients consume green tea extract and their liver tests become abnormal. Not because the green tea caused it, but because of whatever substance the pill capsule was made of can cause liver or kidney problems due to the metabolism of them. And this holds true for many different herbal supplements. So it's always very important to tell your physician of all the different herbal supplements you're taking, especially those of you that are taking 5 or more. Although those supplements themselves in their pure form are fantastic, because they're in a pill form, you don't always know what the pharmaceutical companies are putting into those capsules and the pills and the coloring and the glue, and those could have detrimental effects on the body if you're not careful. So in summary, I think matcha and green tea, that's something I definitely endorse. I think it's good for weight loss if you're trying to lose weight, to try it. Green tea, however, can interact with Coumadin and various blood thinners such as Xarelto or aspirin. So if you are on any type of blood thinner, discuss it with me or your primary care physician before beginning matcha or green tea extract. But besides that, it almost has no side effects. Because of the caffeine, it can cause some people to feel jittery, maybe a little bit of insomnia. But if you're taking it earlier in the day, pretty much what it will do is give you a boost of energy, help with fat burning, help improve your cognition, and it's an antioxidant, so it helps to get rid of free radicals and minimize your risk of cancer. Overall, I think it's a great supplement. Matcha and green tea get an A+ from me. Thank you. Have a great day.